This is the same room, once empty, now fully designed. If you're starting with just bare walls and no layout, it's easy to feel stuck. So this shows how a small space can turn into a modern Japandi home with the right plan from the start. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas. You get a real plan that fits you. So, you want to have good interior design? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. First, the living area. The layout creates a clear space for seating and movement. Next, the dining area. The table is placed to connect naturally with the living space. Then, the laundry and kitchen. The layout combines both functions without crowding the area. Now the space works as one connected design. It's no longer just filled, it's planned with purpose. You can achieve the same modern Japandi look by focusing on layout, connection, and the right pieces. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp.